Good evening, BB Nation. Happy Friday. The week is over and I've got a great presentation for you. My name is Ryan. Welcome to the channel. Now, tonight we're going to talk about quantum stocks and three stocks in particular. These are some of the most popular stocks in the quantum space right now. A lot of hype between these companies here. We've got QUBT, QBTS, and IONQ. Now, these companies showing a little bit more optimism, a little bit sooner than I expected. I didn't realize it, but IONQ had a special analyst day today. We're going to take a look at that, see exactly what they're presenting. The stock is up quite a bit right now, showing some optimism, some of the other quantum computing stocks in this space. So tonight, I just want to go over these three being the main three players with direct quantum exposure. So let's go ahead and take a look at the article, and then we're going to jump into the VectorVest 7 system and see if these trades are making sense. All right, big event coming up. We got the Las Vegas two-day investment seminar coming September 20th, 21st, 2025. You can achieve the VIP experience in person. Just go to vectorvest.com/Vegas to register now. All right, so this is what's getting the quantum stocks enthused today here. You see, dear IONQ stock fans, mark your calendars for September 12th. You see here the quantum computing company has scheduled its Analyst Day for September 12th, offering investors a comprehensive look at its strategic direction and technological progress. The event will feature presentations from IONQ executive team covering business strategy, recent milestones, and product roadmap updates. The timing is notable as IONQ works towards achieving AQ64, a critical technical milestone that would advance its quantum computing capabilities. The company's trapped ion approach has already produced some of the world's most accurate quantum computers since founding in 2015 by researchers Chris Monroe and Hwang-Sang Kim. Now, recent developments, IONQ acquired companies part of the quantum networking space, which include Entangled Networks, Qubit Tech, and others. These moves support IONQ's vision of building quantum internet infrastructure with ultra secure communication capabilities. So let's take a look at the stock chart today and see if this event is actually getting investors enthused. All right, now quantum stocks have been on my radar this past week just because price action is, coming pretty favorable when it comes to the usual moving averages I look at. I did not know about the analyst event today, but you can see the event, the enthusiasm is there. 15% with IONQ and some of the other leaders here, Qubits, along with quantum computing or Qubit, up 5 and 6% respectively. Now, all of these companies here are going to be extremely overvalued. Very speculative plays here, but these are quantum companies and they have the power to change the world, but they are speculative in nature, and our proprietary indicators are telling us that. Look at RVRS. These are our fundamental indicators. 0 to 2, above 1 is favorable, below 1 is unfavorable. All of these are below 1, right? So very speculative stocks. The only thing that's got going for them right now is RT, relative timing. This looks like the short-term price trend. So with the RT above 1, the favor is with the bulls right now, except one stock, Qubit, QUBT. So there could be some dip opportunities here. None of these stocks have buy recommendations right now. If I look over to the right, look at the forecasted data, pretty mixed bag here. Some good numbers. We got sales growth rate 82% for IONQ. Both positive numbers for D-Wave. I do like D-Wave a lot. Forecasted data there, very good. Now, as far as Qubit, both negative 67% and negative 5%. So I will put Qubit at the bottom of this list here just based on forecasted data. Very speculative stock. So let's take a look at the charts and see if these trades are showing any opportunities. All right, first up, IONQ. You can see price action here dip below these moving averages, broke back above it, and then started retesting it a few days ago for several sessions. That's why IONQ and these other quantum stocks are on my radar even in the first place. But with today's event, the enthusiasm is there. You can see broke right through my level of resistance here I had from about $45 to about $48, $49. If I go to a year, you can see we just hit an all-time new high here, currently at $54.60. So a lot of optimism, a lot of momentum behind this stock right now. If you want to chase the momentum, hey, you can use something like a 3 and 8 or Star Search. Otherwise, if you're looking for a pullback, I'd probably wait to see price action maybe potentially retest this 48 level, or potentially, if we use a horizontal line, if this rally continues, you can see we're right there getting some rejection at the prior high here. If we break through this prior high, we could retest this level at 54, 53. But my confirmation is I want price action above this prior high on this day here, which is going to be around 54.91, which is $55. We want price action to be above to remain optimistic on this position. Now, as far as forecasted data, mixed bag here, right? The favors with the sales side, 82%. And as well, look at the technicals here. RT now becoming in favorable territory, well above 1. A lot of momentum here. So if you want to chase it, it's up to you. Again, sorry, I didn't realize the event was today. So this breakout occurring a lot faster than I thought. So let's take a look at some of these other quantum stocks here. We've got Qubits, also known as D-Wave. Look at its price action here. Saw some rejection right below that 40, but now confirmation above the 40-day. Favor in with the bulls right now. RT just going above 1 at 1.11. You can see RT now crossing above that oscillation point. Again, RT, a very sophisticated system to give us a sense of price momentum and which direction it is. And right now that radar is pointing in the favor of the bulls as of now. So it could be a good early entry point on Qubits. But again, these stocks are well overvalued here. They are quantum plays. Stick to the technicals here. If we look at the forecasted data, this is going to be the best one out of the three. We got 12% on the earnings side. And on the sales side, definitely outpacing it, 42%. Very healthy forecasted numbers. Now here's the last stock this evening. We've got Qubit. You can see I had a level of support here around $14. You can see the retest from the bottom here and several tests from the tops. Now we did get a triple bottom here, 1, 2, 3. Now price action back above the moving averages. If we look at a 3-month time span, we can see the big body candlestick breaking out of the consolidation, pretty range bound over the last few weeks here. So some fresh optimism for the quantum stocks. Now I will say this stock here out of these three, it's got the worst forecasted data, -5 and -67%. As well, the RT relative timing still below 1 at 0.88. So it is a little aggressive to get in right now. If you want some confirmation, you get RT back above 1 in favorable territory for the bulls for a quick momentum trade. All right, now everybody, hope this video put quantum stocks back on your radar. I know there's some optimism there, in the holidays, the first half of the year, but a lot of these stocks have been taking a breather, but we're seeing some momentum coming back in with these positions. That's why I want to put them on your radar. And on top of that, with the analyst day today, which I was not planning on a little bit more momentum than we thought, right? So come Monday, if we see some follow through in these quantum positions, and if you want quantum positions in your portfolio, if you're okay with that type of risk, hey, these stocks might just be for you. Now, everybody, enjoy your weekend. If you enjoyed tonight's video, hit the like button. If you found it informative, and if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next week. Good night.